Most people enter a new year with big dreams, but no clear plan. Before you plan your 2026 goals, you need to hear this because the truth is shocking. 91% of New Year's resolutions die before February even begins. But why? Not because people aren't capable, but because nobody teaches us how the brain actually builds habits that last. But you're here now. And this year, everything changes because I'm going to teach you the science that can make your success 3 times more likely. Science shows that your brain needs clarity, small steps, and simple rewards to stay motivated. And that's exactly how we're going to build the 2026 plan. First, create a vision. What kind of person do you want to be by the end of 2026? Studies show that imagining your future self activates the same neural pathways as real action, making you far more likely to follow through. Second, choose only 3 main goals. Research proves humans can only focus on 3 to 5 major areas at once. More than that, and success drops sharply. Health, money, and learning are the most powerful trio. Third step, break those goals into small, specific actions. A 10-minute walk, 20 minutes of learning a money-making skill, 5 pages of reading. Habit science is clear. Tiny steps create the longest lasting results because they don't trigger your brain's resistance. Now place those actions on a weekly schedule. When something lives on your calendar, you're 2 to 3 times more likely to complete it. Use a reward loop. Every time you complete a small task, your brain releases dopamine, the chemical that makes progress feel good and encourages you to keep going. And here is an important point. Failing is part of the plan. Research shows that missing a habit doesn't matter. What matters is restarting quickly. Failure isn't the opposite of success. It's a normal, expected step in the process. Finally, review your goals every 30 days. Studies show that people who check in monthly are up to 40% more likely to achieve what they set out to do. Do all of this, and 2026 won't just be another year. It will be the year you transform. And in the next video, I'll show you how to create a to-do list so simple, so effective, and so science-packed you won't be able to leave it. Subscribe and stay with me. Your breakthrough year is just beginning.